So guys, here we are with one more Australia tourist visa approval from UAE of Mr. Swami, and it's in front of you. As you can see, Mr. Swami has got 3-year multiple entry tourist visa of Australia, and you can see the date of grant here is mentioned 11th April 2025, and his must not arrive date is 2028 11 April. So almost 3 years tourist visa multiple entry. Very nice. So guys, as I have been telling you from so many days that if you also want to apply Australia tourist visa, you can contact us. We just charge 1200 dirham and the results can be like this. And in this video, today's video, I am going to tell you the success story of Mr. Swami, like how he contacted us, how we helped him to get his Australia tourist visa, and that is also for multiple entry. So guys, today's video is going to be very informative, very enjoyable. So please do watch the full video. If you want to go Australia on a visit, then this video can be very important for you guys. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I am the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you exceptional visa, hotel, package services for all of you. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, Mr. Swami has contacted us through one of our social media platform, Instagram. And when he contacted us, he discussed with one of our team member in Dubai office, which is located in Zain Al Mohebi Plaza 101, just opposite Burjman Mall. If you are living in UAE, living in Dubai, you must have known the Burjman Mall. So in front of the Burjman Mall, we have our office, Zain Al Mohebi Plaza 101. He called us and he discussed with one of our team member, and he wanted to apply for Australia tourist visa for himself and his wife. Then after assessment of his profile, we checked everything, we discussed with him, and we get to know that there is one very positive impact on his profile is that his son is living in Australia from last 5 years, okay, and he is working in a very reputed company from last 5 years, and he working as a job, like he has a job in the Australia. And the moment we heard this news that his son is working in Australia from last 5 years, we asked the invitation letter from his son that he is inviting his parents in Australia, and then he prepared the invitation letter, he sent us, and we have attached that invitation letter with all the documents required for Australia tourist visa. As you know that in Australia tourist visa, you have to give us the passport copy, Emirates ID copy, residence visa copy, and your last 6 month bank statement, NOC from the company, and this invitation letter we have attached with all of these documents. So the moment Mr. Swami sent us all the documents which was required for the Australia tourist visa, what we did, we have attached the invitation letter, and also we have attached 2-3 more additional documents which makes the file very strong. As you all remember that in previous video I have told all of you that in the background we are attaching some document which we are not even telling you to make your file stronger. Like the most important part, we show them that your home tie-up are very strong, and your intention to come back to the home country is very strong, because that's a very important part which everyone avoids, but we can't avoid. So we asked the additional documents from Mr. Swami has sent it to us, like Ijari and tenancy contract. So all of these documents we have attached, and we prepared the file. Within 30 days we got the approval for Mr. Swami and his wife, and the result is in front of you. So guys, you might have heard so many agents are telling that Australia tourist visa ratio is not good, don't apply, don't waste your money, don't discuss with anyone. But in our case, touch wood, it's not the same thing. So this is just a success story of Mr. Swami and Mrs. Swami. But if you go to our Instagram page, Akira Tourism, you will find so many tourist visas getting approval every single day. And why this is happening? Because of the filing we do, because of the technique we use to get the filing done and get the approval done for any country tourist visa. It's not only about Australia. Take any country name. In Schengen, there are 29 countries: Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Norway, and then there is another USA, then there is New Zealand, then there is so many countries which we apply tourist visa every single day. So guys, as you know, we just charge 1200 dirham for Australia tourist visa, So if you also want to apply, contact us, contact our team. The number is mentioned below, office address is below. Contact us and apply your Australia tourist visa with the best in industry. This was the video for Australia tourist visa from UAE and the success story of Mr. Swami. And also I have told you that why you should apply your Australia tourist visa with Akira Tourism. So guys, if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video.